place. I feel like this is the point in your career that you become an architect where you can speak to things, but you're not necessarily the technical.
Hold up. Older, architect, and a manager. You hit me with the trifecta. It's true though. You can't specialize in everything. You will die trying. Like it's not possible. There's too many things going on. But what I will give you this, while you can't be an expert in everything all the time, as an architect, you're usually deep diving into whatever it is you're designing. And at that given moment or for that given project, you are learning everything there is to know about what's possible, technology, capability wise, application wise, to get that project to be successful. That includes sometimes me getting into the weeds. I know getting set up with like certain types of appliances. I'm running packet captures and doing Wiresharks as a manager and an architect because I truly needed to get something to work right, and no one else seemed to be able to figure it out. So I'm deep diving to figure out the problem, right? And you have the kind of the skills because you've gone through the this in terms of your experience and the things you've dealt with already. So you're just kind of harnessing your knowledge on how to do things, and you're deep diving at that given moment. You're not context switching all the time, but for whatever given project you work on, you may at that moment specialize yourself, right, or start to hone in on a few specific tools, and that can change project to project, right? As an architect, you're always trying to roll out some feature enhancement, some app. So getting that project out there, you're going to have to specialize. I'm working in a cloud provider I've never worked in before, and I'm learning this on the fly, and I'm deep diving into these things, right? 6 months from now, I may forget everything there is to know that I've learned so far. But I'll retain some of it. I'll retain the fundamentals or the things that bit me, right? Because I'll learn from those experiences. But yeah, you're not going to be able to kind of retain that specialization. I mean, maybe some people can if you have an eidetic memory or something. But yeah, this is a bit of a ramble. I feel called out. Thank you.